Hey, welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing review of the Beyblade Burst Turbo uh, SlingShock Whale Battle Set. So, on the page it said, take these and look for the little arrow on her. There's no arrow on these. So, whatever. Just kind of stick this in there. But, yeah, they don't even want to stay in. I'll just take these and push them in here. So there's one. Now to do the other 4. Yeah, this one doesn't really want to go in. Just make sure that all of them are snapped in place. There's our base stadium completed. Yay, let's put it off to the side there. And get to our bays. So the Wonder Valtriats attack type, which is V412 Arcanus S, also known as D51TA15-S. So they said that this is the recover version, which is supposed to be stronger than the standard color one. Let's put our parts in order here. So here is our energy layer. Kind of nice. You kind of see the W and the V in there. Of course, you're going to notice the W a lot. But underneath there is the small little V, which kind of connects with the size of the W for Valtriats, so Wonder Valtriats. And then you can kind of see the little eyes there and stuff. On the back here's the QR code for Wonder Valtriats. Of course, there's the little hole in here for the level chip. Which it would be nice if the starter sets came out with level chips either in where you have by like these base stadiums that come with the tops, or if they had them where they come with like the stars where you got all the parts, the bay, and the launcher. That'd be a great idea. Or if they just came with without the launcher and just the complete bay. That still would be a great idea. Or Hasbro. Money making ideal here. Sell the mother freaking level chips by yourselves. Either sell them a 3-pack, 2-pack, or a single pack. Sell the mother effing level chips. Hasbro, are you listening? Because you're freaking retarded. You're stupid. You need to get smacked side the head and kick in the privates. Because seriously, this is the money-making ideal here, people. You're selling the Takara Tomy bays that, you dumb down because, they're Hasbro ones. But where's the money off in level chips? I mean, Hasbro came out, not Hasbro, Takara Tomy came out with level chips. They had it in the core magazines and stuff. You could go online to Amazon, eBay, probably Samurai Buyer and other sites like Buy and stuff. Well, Buy.com. And, get the level chips. But Hasbro, come on! Bros! Hasbros! Seriously, what the F? You're selling, kind of like Takara not offs here, but you have them where they have the whole to accept the level chips, but no level chips? Come on, this is a great money-making idea here. But yeah, seriously, right there. Level chip hole, but no level chip. Here is its force disc, which is 12. I know you probably can't see that good on camera here. Let's see. Right there, 12. Which usually refers to the spikes or something that it has. But this one doesn't want to hear anything that web says 12. 4 stars. And here is its driver. This has a little burst on it. Same as the one on the bottom, which you can see clearly better. And you can lock it in. This kind of gives you a short free spin. Or pull it out. And then lock it in to give it a height. Which the gimmick doesn't really want to work that good. I mean, there you go. Give it a little bit of height. Where it stays tall. Like that. Or push it down in and then you kind of have it as a free spin. So your choice. Do you want it to be a tar bay or do you want it to be a free spinning bay? And this bay does not really want to latch on. There we go. That is the Wonder Valtriax. Also, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment down below in the description. Back to the review. And here is the Achilles A411 Ester S, or as they call it here as the Z Achilles A4 D52 TB09-S. Nice Achilles here. Now, do know on the website and on the bots on the website, they showed this Achilles in a black color, like a dark Achilles or an evil Achilles, just like how they did once ago, for the evil Valtriax. That came with, the little bay locker. So yeah, and then there's its QR code. Again, still has that little hole in there for the level chip. And its force disc is number 11. So, 11, although doesn't make any sense, and it has a 2-star back there. And this is its driver, which kind of looks like a crisscross of an X type of thing. It almost looks like on that random repeat play button, that you find like, iPods and stuff, and the randomness thing. So here's what its dry looks like. Now, let's see how we change heights here. So right now it's kind of like this short little stub mode. Take it in. Turn it so we have whole flat mode. So we go from whole flat to little spike. So flat spike or semi spike. Almost, I can't exactly remember what the actual name was, but it's the one that was like down force spike something from the what was Jin Hagane, the Metal Fight series. It's the one that Doji used with Dark Wolf. Which, by the way, everyone get that bay underrated. They're like, oh man, that bay's garbage. I love Dark Wolf. Dark Wolf was like the best bay that I had for that series. So yeah, let's get this bay put together, which actually goes together pretty easy compared to this one. Okay, the battery on my camera is about to run out. Let's quickly bring it in, and hopefully we can get a little bay battle going here before my camera completely dies out. So I'm going to launch the Achilles first, because, Stammer was a balance type, and then Valtriat, so, yeah.